Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorial. In this episode, we'll see how to change the initial password and log in to Geek Divers. I'm on www.geekdivers.com and I click on the login button. A new page, a new tab will open, and depending on your internet connection, it might take up to 2 minutes the first time. The other times it will be much faster. Here you are in the login page and you can type your email address, your username. And the temporary password that you've received. You also need to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. You can read them. These are links, terms and conditions. It will open up in a new tab, and privacy policy the same. And then you click on button login. At this point, the server for Geek Divers is checking if this is a valid user. It is. And I can now choose my own password. So forget about the temporary password, and now you can choose yours. You need to repeat it, and then you can click on change password. At this point, you are back to the original login page. You need to remove the old password and type the new one. And now you click on login, and you are finally in Geek Divers. Thank you for watching.